Good morning YouTube. So it's been a while since we've made a video. This project is not really although we have to be on it full time, we don't upgrade all the time because basically as and when we have money and time, we buy the components to go on. So for today what we're going to do, you will notice all these lovely pipes lying around here.
Dutch buckets are there too.
We're going to install or start the plumbing for these Batu buckets or Dutch buckets. So they're going to be on here.
We're only going to put 4 on a frame.
We're going to start with these frames, fitting them to here so they don't fall over. And we will see how far we get with the drain and the plumbing and all these things. It depends on how lazy I am. And that's basically the plan for today, to see how far we can get with the Dutch buckets.
Alright, let's show the update here first. Look at our fishies. They look really good. And you can see me. Hello. So, these guys are looking very good. Also planted some more of these guys. Put them in the grow bed and they look fantastic. This, if I remember correctly, is bird's eye chili. Looking very good. A bit overgrown, but doing well. Here's our koi. We decommissioned this because we don't need it anymore. We're gonna upgrade that soon. That's gonna get upgraded. And over here you can see our koi. Looking very good. Oh well, 3 koi and 1 goldfish is now in the system outside. We'll show you that. Here is Numbnut. Yes. And we did a filter here as well, an airlift filter. So just a little small update of what we've been doing. And that is my bin for compost. I have compost worms in there and it's working. It's good. This whole thing is gonna get decommissioned. It's disassembled now because that thing isn't doing its job. And those 2 buckets, the sun is eating it up. So we're gonna make an update of that soon. Ah, yes, the greenhouse. Look at this. Yeah, updates. Hi, this guy. Pull yourself together. Anyway, this is spinach that I started. And this is grow bed A with all my spinach. Over here, I'm gonna transplant these. These are spring onion that I made. And then this is eggplant right there. And then we have one little spinach there. So right here, this is just a little area we've been working on. So today we're gonna start working on this, yes. And then right here, our duckweed. They look a bit meh now, the sun. Well, it's because I had a shade cloth on here and it has been removed, but it's slowly coming back. But yeah, we're gonna decommission this. But yeah, this is just for temporary. We get on the steppy, unhook this stuff is. So where are the fishies? Yeah, I can't find them. Oh, there they are. 1 goldfish and 3 koi. And they're also doing fantastically. So yeah, avante. It goes here. This is the drainage pipe now. And then there will be more Dutch buckets there, going there, and then the drainage go back in the sump. That's what we got so far.
Okay, so it's been a couple of days since we started. We did some stuff off camera, and this is the drain pipe that we did.
Yeah, we finished now the drain pipe with the holes in it as well, and we extended it. So now it goes here to this, and then it goes down. Now we're gonna continue. Alright, new phone, new camera, let's see how it goes. A new day again, and then we continue when we last ended off. Now all that's left is the drainage at the bottom. Looks nice. The last pipe. Let's see if it works. And
Perfect!
huzzah! We did it!
So we've put on the downpipes, and we put the Dutch buckets in place, and we put the pipes, the overflows that's going to go into the drain, and the drain of course drains to the...
Yeah, we just disconnected that because
Yeah,
we have to test this first.
and we have to flush out all the
Yes,
plastics and all these
I
things.
think there is, yeah, this one's dirty, this
Yeah,
one's dirty,
we have to
this one's
clean and
dirty,
flush out
and
the
these are also dirty, and so yes, and we'll also have to clean the rocks.
Okay, so as always, do the right thing. Like, subscribe, hate the video, like the video, comment on the video, tell us what we did wrong. Trust me, we did a lot of things wrong.
Oof.
Engage.
He's even bleeding.
I'm even bleeding. We will blur that out for YouTube. If you like this video, send it to a friend. If you hate this video, send it to your enemy.